Hello, let me quickly show you step by step how I make this strong and super foamy laundry bar soap with just three ingredients. Yes, you heard me right. Three chemicals, caustic soda, water, and oil in just 10 minutes. No color, no fragrance, no any additive. Just three ingredients with balanced pH 8, which considered a good range for handmade soap, providing adequate cleansing power and gentle on the skin. So no cause to be afraid, is safe for most skin type. And do you know what? This is super foaming. It lather very, very well. If you want to learn how to make this laundry bar soap, watch this video till the end. The first chemical on my list is caustic soda. Don't forget your mixing bowl and spatula, followed by water, clean water. Then I'm making use of PKO, palm kernel oil. PKO. Remember to get your mold ready before production. Step 1. Add caustic soda into the clean water. Add and mix very well. Set it aside to clear and cool down completely before use. Step 2. Turn your oil into your mixing bowl. Add lye solution. That is the caustic soda already mixed with water. Add and stir gently. As you add it, you stir it gently. You need to stir it and stir it until you mix all the lye solution with the oil. Until you mix it into a trace level. Caustic soda is a strong alkaline and can cause burns or irritation if it comes in contact with skin. Please always protect yourself in dealing with caustic soda. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop the next video. Continue stirring it until it gets to a jellyfish. A jellyfish is when it looks like a dawn pap. Continue mixing it. When you have seen that the face is jelly, then you can turn it into your mold. PKO palm kernel oil in this production is hard oil that produce thick lather on soap. 3 ingredients to form a soap is the simplest method of soaping in which everyone can do. So try your own today. Now it has fully get to a jellyfish, to a trace level, and the face is so jelly. You can see it now. Then turn it into your mold, your already prepared mold. Turn it into your mold. Remember, your soap will bring the shape of your mold out. You can use any mold of your choice. If you don't have mold yet, you can make use of any plastic rubber. After adding it into your mold, keep it in a safe place, in a dry, cool place to harden up. It will solidify within 12 to 24 hours. Allow it to solidify before you unmold it. Please like, comment, and share this video. Now let me set it aside for 24 hours. See you in the next 12 to 24 hours. Yes, this is after 24 hours. You can see the soap came out very strong, neat, and shiny. It's very easy to unmold. That is why you need to leave it to allow it to solidify before you unmold it. Don't mind the one that came with yellow color. The mold have already stained with that yellow color. That part of the mold is stained with yellow color. That is why you see that one came out with yellow color. We never added any color to it. It's just 3 ingredients laundry bar soap. Very simple, right? Try and practice it at home. Now let's test the foaming level. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and to my return subscriber, I say thank you very much. Remember, it's cold processed soap. Allow it to cure for 3 to 4 weeks before using it, in order not to harm your skin, and it will help your soap to last longer. It foams and lather very, very well. It's a complete laundry soap that you can use to wash all your laundries, and it will save you money if you try to make it on your own. Get your pen and paper, write all the ingredients and the measurements down. You can do it for business, and you can also do it for your personal use. So you can save money or you earn money with it. If you want to know more about soaping, get this bar soap, profitable bar soap ebook is available. Just contact me on my WhatsApp number and it will be delivered to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.